you, Maharaj. Now I request Tamil Mani sir to give a thankful address.
Vote of thanks is a British legacy. I have no faith in that. I am here to express my indebtedness. Very simple. I thank to start with the soul of Mrs. Jayalakshmi, but for her sacrifices, we will not be here. I am a son of a driver. Today, I have an identity. I have an address. I am a millionaire. All I owe to her. I thank her. But for a person who is present here in spite of his ill health, the Honorable Mr. Justice Venkatachala Murthy, I would have left this earth 10.5 years back in a major road accident. I am alive, active. It is because of him. I thank him. When we wanted to commemorate the memory of late Jayalakshmi, the first thought that came to us is this mutt. I'll explain the matter a little later. Let me complete my indebtedness. I thank this great mutt, Maharaj, and others. Honestly speaking, the function is our function, but every single effort, every single planning was done by them only. I am attending. Perhaps I take the credit. It is their sweat. Planning is there. Effort is there. Everything we place at their foot. Too. I thank all those, particularly the Honorable Mr. Justice Sagat Mahadevan. I must thank him twice. Twice because we wanted to have the function on the 9th. Leonard Judge said, yes, Tamil Mani, no difficulty. We advanced it to 8th. I was really worried. Normally there is a delay in court, understandable. We are advancing it. The Leonard Judge said, absolutely no difficulty, it's a good cause. So I thank him twice. And I thank all those who have spared some time to travel from the respective residence, come here, sit with us. I thank them once again. I thank Puriya Thalamarai TV who have taken pains to come and cover the entire show. I told you why we decided to give it here. There is a small reason behind it. There is an interesting information. About 15-20 years back, there was a conference. The organizers of the conference claimed they have assembled the supercomputer of the century, supercomputer in the sense it could defeat the mankind, the human brain, in a few seconds. The computer was fixed into a robot and a conference was arranged. Anybody can ask any question, astrology, astronomy, anything under the sun, anything under the earth. The computer fitted into that robot, standing in a pant and shirt, resembling a human being, would answer in not later than 10 seconds. The challenge was this: if a human being could pose a question which would force the supercomputer of the century to take more than 10 seconds to answer the question, they will accept supercomputer has failed. If it had answered all questions, the toughest question, within 10 seconds, they will agree the mankind has failed even to put a tough question which would delay the answer for 10 seconds. Up to 5 o'clock, the conference went on. People went on pouring questions, various questions. A, B, C, D, F, Z, 5 answers. As he completed the question, the reply followed. Not even 1 second gap. So it was very clear. The mankind, the human brain has failed to a mission called computer. But they were about to declare the human brain has surrendered its power before the supercomputer of the century called this mission, a rustic villager like me just came that side. He is expert on nothing. He knows no subject. He came from a nearby village for some purchase. He saw some crowd. Drawn by the crowd, he walked into the hall. He saw somebody. One of the organizers, out of his ego, impelled by his ego, persuaded him to ask a question. It was actually an insult to this villager. Villager knew no questions. He had nothing. He had not equipped himself with anything. He said, no, go, ask a question, ask anything you like. He's a villager, I said. Whenever they meet after some time in the village, they used to inquire about the health of each other. That is all. When he sees somebody, he would ask, how are you? He went close by. He saw somebody in the pant and shirt. He did not even understand it, so the bar went close by. Hey, brother, how are you? Are you all right, brother? At that, the so-called supercomputer, the century, failed. 1 full minute passed. He could not answer. Everybody was taken aback. So then the organizers explained the reason. If he had asked, Mr. How are you? He would have answered, fine, I'm top of the world. Reply would have come probably in 30 seconds or 1 second or split seconds. Because he started the question with the word, brother, how are you? This poor machine was never addressed as brother. This machine thought. Somebody was talking something else to someone else. As he did not receive the question, he did not register the question. As he did not register the question, he did not reply the question. The mission failed. What happened? How? The organizers ultimately were persuaded to agree the supremacy of the human brain, the mankind, as against the so-called supercomputer of the century because of the word brother. Which word? The magic word Swami Vivekananda used to unite the whole of the humanity. It is that word persuaded people like us, our family members, to gift it here. It's a small gift of a tiny lift. It will help lots of people to lift themselves religiously. Their soul will also be lifted. I thank once again all this entire efforts were by them, by the manager Swamiji, Ashok Maharaj, and we had no role except I have taken a couple of minutes of your time in giving out a story. I thank you once again. Kindly take lunch and go. Thank you once again.
Thank you. End to this program with devotional song and Ramakrishna Sharanam by Pratyush Balan. We'll sing devotional song and Sharanam.
शंभो भो स्वयं भो शंभो गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो 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 निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपंचरहित निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपंचरहित निज गुह निहित नितांत अनंत निज गुह निहित नितांत अनंत आनंद अतिशय अक्षय लिंग निज गुह निहित नितांत अनंत आनंद अतिशय अक्षय लिंग भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो धिमित धिमित धिमि धिमि किट किट दोम तोम तोम तरि किट किट दोम धिमित धिमित धिमि धिमि किट किट दोम तोम तोम तरि किट किट दोम मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईशा सर्वदिगंबर वेष्टित वेश मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईशा सर्वदिगंबर वेष्टित वेश नित्य निरंजन नित्य नटेश ईशा सबेशा सर्वेशा भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर ममव भवसागर तारक भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो பல்லாண்டு பல்லாண்டு பல கோடியாண்டு ஸ்ரீராம கிருஷ்ண சங்கம் வாழியவே பல்லாண்டு பல்லாண்டு பல கோடியாண்டு ஸ்ரீராம கிருஷ்ண சங்கம் வாழியவே நல்லாயிரம் பணிகள் நாடெல்லாம் நடந்திட நல்லாயிரம் பணிகள் நாடெல்லாம் நடந்திட நல்லோர்கள் போற்றிட நாமெல்லாம் மகிழ்ந்திட பல்லாண்டு பல்லாண்டு பல கோடியாண்டு ஸ்ரீராம கிருஷ்ண சங்கம் வாழியவே அன்னை சாரதையின் அருளாசி பெற்று அண்ணல் விவேகானந்தர் அன்புடன் அமைத்த அன்னை சாரதையின் அருளாசி பெற்று அண்ணல் விவேகானந்தர் அன்புடன் அமைத்த பல்லாண்டு முன்பு பலராம் மந்திரில் தோன்றி 100 ஆண்டு முன்பு பலராம் மந்திரில் தோன்றி பல்லாயிரம் ஆண்டு பாரெல்லாம் பரவிட 100,000 ஆண்டு பாரெல்லாம் பரவிட பல்லாண்டு பல்லாண்டு பல கோடி ஆண்டு ஸ்ரீராம கிருஷ்ண சங்கம்
எங்க